Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload CV on LinkedIn. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first simple step you simply need to do is to open LinkedIn. So once you open LinkedIn, you simply need to click on jobs in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three dots on the top right, and then you need to click on application settings, and here you can see a button of upload resume. Click on that and you simply need to select your resume. So let me click on upload resume and select any file for an example. Okay, so once selected, you simply need to click on that, and you can share your CV with your recruiter as well. So this is a simple process by which you can upload CV on LinkedIn. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.